front of me is HUAWEI Enjoy 70X, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling to Heat Sounds and Vibration. Now you can tap on Vibration here to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Then scroll to Heat Phone Ringtone. Tap on Vibration in Sim 1 and Sim 2 sections, and then pick one of those patterns, disable them or synchronize them with ringtone. When you finished, you can do exactly the same for your message tone and notification. When you finished, hit more settings at the very bottom and click on the switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to turn on or off this option. And last but not least, on this switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!